It's okay. So it looks cool. Smile there. Cool.
Hi Tuscany, thank you so much for coming to Silver Oaks Dental Clinic.
I'm so happy that you guys had me. Couldn't have chosen anyone better.
Thanks. Can you tell us what treatment did you have at Silver Oaks?
I've always been really self-conscious about my teeth. I've always had really small teeth, very discolored as I had braces. So first treatment we did was we did crown lengthening. So we just shaped some of my gums, made them a little bit longer, as when I smiled I had quite a gummy smile. Then after that we had whitening, so we whitened everything, and then after that I got my veneers. Thank goodness, I was very, very excited to get them. And we got them on the first 8.
Okay,
yeah.
Fantastic. And how did you find us? What was the procedure and how did you research it?
So actually, if I'm going to be completely honest, I typed in best cosmetic dentist in South Africa,
right.
And Dr Huson was one of them that came up. And
Okay.
I found this Silver Oaks Instagram page, and
Right.
I gave him a follow, and I looked through all his work, and I was very, very impressed, and I was like, I have to go to him.
Okay, that's fantastic. And tell us about the treatment procedure, how long it was, and was it painful?
Sure, so we actually started talking about this last year. I started making inquiries, I think, mid last year already.
Right.
And then we started the actual procedure in February this year, January this year, yeah. So with me working in retail, it was just a little bit difficult for me as I was really busy in the December holiday, so unfortunately I couldn't come in at the latter of last year.
Right.
But we started the procedure in January, we started the crown lengthening. Absolutely, you would think that because they're cutting gums, that it's going to be painful, and I watched some gory videos, but I promise you, I didn't feel a thing. It was the most comfortable procedure. I did have a little bit of big lip, but I wasn't upset because I had like a little bit of a Kylie Jenner lip for a little while. But yeah, and then I was back at work a day later.
A day later.
Yeah. So I did have obviously a little bit of stitches,
recovery.
quick recovery. Didn't have any time at home, and I work in retail, so I'm obviously dealing with customers all the time, so that wasn't a problem for me. Then with the whitening, I had an at-home treatment. It was nice and easy, very convenient, just sleep with it on at night. And with the crown lengthening, with the veneers, it was an hour, 2 hours in Dr. Huson's chair, and I had a beautiful smile.
Sure, that's pretty quick for such drastic results.
Everything within the last 5 months, yeah.
And what was it like before you had dental veneers?
So I've always just been, I think with working in makeup, I've always just been very sort of self-conscious with my smile, as I'm always wearing lipstick, I'm always talking to customers. I mean, in retail, the first thing we approach customers with is a smile. So it's something that I've just always wanted to perfect and be more confident about. So I don't regret it. I'm absolutely in love with my new smile.
And
I can't
it's something
stop
that
smiling
completes
now.
the look,
Yes.
because your hair and your makeup's
Makeup,
done.
when
So
everything-
your teeth is
everything's
the
on
thing
point
that
now.
completes. Yes,
Yeah.
everything is like perfect now.
100%.
So what made Silver Oaks stand out from the other options that when you were researching?
Firstly, the fact that I actually got to see Dr. Huson's work. Like, I actually got to see some of the work he had done that really impressed me, because you can't really get a proper idea of what it's going to look like and what they're capable of doing without seeing like some pictures of previous work, as well as with the 3D. You guys are
Digital smile
you guys are
design.
one of the only people that I know that do that. So I actually got to see what my smile was gonna look like.
Yeah, that's the
before I
latest
even had it done.
technology. So
Yeah,
that's really good.
it was incredible.
Yeah.
And as well as I think their professionalism and the way they just carry themselves, I just felt very welcome when I walked in here. Everyone that works here is just so amazing and so welcoming. They took me through everything, explained everything to me. I was in the know of all the time. They were very accommodating with my busy schedule, because I'm always being called in here. With retail, it's very difficult to actually plan stuff ahead in advance. And they were very accommodating, very welcoming, very professional, and yeah, they made me feel very happy. They were perfect, because they literally made sure I was 100% happy with absolutely everything.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
And what was the obstacle that almost prevented you from using Silver Oaks Dental Clinic? If there was any obstacle?
If I'm honest,
Yes.
working in retail, you don't get the best of salaries.
Okay.
And you know, I wanted to go to someone that, even though it was a little bit pricier, I was getting the results I wanted, and I was getting the right service, the right proper, what can I say, the proper material, because I know that you guys make sure that you're using the best of the best. And I was willing to, you know what, rather pay the extra but than go to someone and be unhappy.
Yes.
And yeah, it's a permanent procedure. I mean, Veneers last you years, so I'm very, very grateful. Money does not even matter to me anymore, because I just love everything.
And what was the main reason you recommend Silver Oaks Dental Clinic?
Definitely. Well, look what they've done. They literally changed the game. I think no one else could have done anything better. So definitely, Dr. Huson is the best out there. I feel like no one else could have done what he, and just the way that he carried himself, the professionalism, each appointment. I think I've been in and out here countless of times. He just has been very supportive throughout the whole thing, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend anyone else. His team, yeah, no, I have no words. I can't stop smiling. I'm just so happy with everything.
And what would you say is, after having veneers done, how has it changed your life, your day-to-day living? And
well, firstly, the girls at work laugh at me all the time, because I can't walk past a mirror without looking at my teeth. So they're always catching me smiling, and it's the first thing. Obviously, I've got this nice, beautiful smile now, so it's very welcoming when I'm greeting customers now. And I've had a lot of friends who have noticed.
It's good from a sales perspective.
It's good from a sales
and just a quality of
me,
life.
I mean, it's the little things in life.
The confidence.
Obviously, when people look at me, they're like, "Oh, you had good teeth before," but it's the little changes that just make such a difference. So yeah.
Well, I'm glad that you did come to Silver Oaks
I'm
Dental
very glad.
Clinic.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Tuscany. Thanks, man.